you have got a dusky to deeper skin like mine, you know how tricky it can be to find the perfect brown lipsticks for us that doesn't wash you out or disappear into your complexion. But do not worry, I have got you covered. I have lined up some of the best brown lipsticks that look absolutely stunning on brown skin. Whether you're going for everyday nude, a rich chocolate or something in between, I have got you covered. So let's get started. I hope you found your best favorite brown lipsticks in this lineup. I have linked all the lipsticks in the video. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite brown lipstick, or if you have your own favorite brown lipstick that I need to try, do let me know in the comments. Also, share this video with your friends and family who are makeup junkies so that it will be helpful for them too. Until then, next time, take care.